The day has finally arrived where we have to move back to the States. We've had some incredible experience while being stationed here in Germany, and we are both excited and sad to be leaving. Courtney and I started this YouTube channel 2 years ago to document and share our adventures, and looking back through those videos, we're so grateful we did. I haven't had much time in the last 6 months to edit new clips, so I'm excited that we're finally all settled down now and have some time to put this together. I can't believe I haven't posted anything since our trip to Iceland back in November last year, so here's a brief recap of what it's like packing up your life and moving across the world. We had so much stuff that just accumulated over the years, and we got rid of a bunch of junk before the movers came to package everything up. And once they left, we had a ton of cleaning to do. I just finished scrubbing all of these pebble stone tiles. They're terrible. They were covered in moss. Definitely would have been easier with a pressure washer, but outside's all finished. And we still have to clean the inside here. I know, good stuff. And yeah, we got some wall damage from our cool little world sign. Got our bags. Courtney and Thor chilling on our air mattress, which we've been on for 2 weeks now.
Yeah, humble home.
Yep, and yeah, lots of trash that we gotta take to the dump. Our kitchen still needs to get all cleaned up, but let me show you what we've done so far. Alright, so the lighting's not that great back here, but we have cleaned the bathroom completely. The glass is clear, very hard to do from the water stains. Got in here. This room we just finished mopping, so it's still a little wet on the floors, but all clean. This room still needs to get cleaned, so we're gonna do that tomorrow. And then Courtney's closet, all done. She's just got some things up top there, but window clean. This thing was super hard to clean. It's like, I don't even know what it is. It's like paper plastic, but that was done. That's our hallway. And then downstairs is all done. This is the stairwell. So it's pretty much the same layout as upstairs, just downstairs. But down here, we got the hallway. This was where our washer and dryer used to be. Right over there. Over there was the washer, dryer was over there. This is all clean. This is the landlord's furniture still in here. If the light will turn on. Yeah, so that's done. We cleaned the bathroom. This stuff took forever. The hallway here. This was our spare bedroom. Joey used to live here. It's all clean now. And this room is clean. And then my brewing room with some more of the landlord's furniture in here. And then this room here, which goes to the outside. So we'll probably hit this one more time. A little dusting, I see some cobwebs, but it's been fun. Anyway guys, this is our last night in this house. We check into TLF, which is temporary lodging on base tomorrow. Courtney's excited. She's currently watching, what show are you watching right now? Dynasty on her phone from Netflix, so she gets a full-size TV tomorrow. But we'll see you guys at the hotel. Good morning, guys. It is our last day in temporary lodging. We fly out today after 6 years here in Germany. We're pretty stoked. We got Thor going on his first airplane ride. He is all ready to go. Yeah, Courtney's here. We have probably like 5 bags that we're packing today. I can't believe it. Finally.
We're done.
We're done. We're getting out of here. And so this is where we've been staying. We got the Apple TV still hooked up. This is the living room area that they've provided us. The dining room. We got bang on the table. The kitchen. We have a balcony out here. And then down here is where all the bedrooms are. Bedroom number 1, where I've put all my camera gear that I'm packing up right now. Bedroom number 2, which has all my stuff. Then we have this bathroom here. Oop, lights are off. This is the bed And there's another bathroom back here with the washer and dryer, which was really nice, and a shower. And then one more bedroom across the hall here with 2 more beds. So this is the pet TLF, and we got it because we have Thor. So pretty funny, he's like 7 pounds, and they give us all this extra space because we have a dog. And then outside today, very fitting for German weather, rain. So we're gonna head out in about 2 hours, getting a ride, gonna check out of the hotel and go check in at the airport down at the PAX terminal. Very exciting. All right, so Courtney got talked to inside. They said she couldn't take a going away photo, so I just came outside. It's still raining, but we got all of our bags checked. Thor costed us $125 to fly on the rotator out of Ramstein, and then probably have to pay for him again when we get to the States because we're flying down to Florida. We're taking leave en route before we get to our new location, which is Oklahoma. We'll be stationed at Tinker Air Force Base next. So pretty exciting, pretty exciting. They had us show up 5 hours early before our flight, which were a part of the reporting instructions. Little man did not want to stay inside his kennel, but after what felt like an eternity, we finally started boarding the plane. Alright, so this one doesn't work at all. No, nothing. This one, you can't change it. You only get TV options. Nope, you don't even get TV. Oh, okay, TV options. Mine works though, so I'm good.
1 out of 3 works.
Yeah, 1 out of 3 works. Craziness. Go back in. Oh, Thor, you did so good. Alright, so we just took Thor out. He went potty, he's chilling, he's gotta stay in his kennel, getting a little sleepy. We're heading back upstairs to find some benches, but yeah, it's getting late. It's like 1 in the morning. Courtney hasn't slept yet today. So this was our nap spot. Courtney and Thor fell asleep right away, and then I joined them for some fun overnight airport hangout time. Alright, it's 3 in the morning. We can go check in and drop off all these bags, get rid of those, and then hang out. Thor's been amazing. He's just been chilling in his bag.
He took a nap?
Took a nap.
With me?
Yeah. Courtney's got a couple hours in.
Needed it.
Yeah. This has been our spot forever. I booked our flight with 15,000 points that we got by just using our venture card from Capital One, so we pretty much flew for free. Just let Thor out one more time, drop the bags off, gonna let him go potty before we get on the next flight to Atlanta and Florida. It's gonna be way different, bud. Enjoy this while you can with your long fur. But this is going to be it for our move from Germany back to the States. In the next few videos, I'll show you what we did over our 2 weeks in Florida, and make sure you check those out. There's going to be some awesome content from that. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, we'll see you guys back here in our next adventure.